I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the crossword puzzle collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. Be sure and check out her channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs and check out the hashtag CW Collage 2023 CW Collage. Sorry, I'll get that right. And today, I noticed a lot of people were talking about getting snow. I know Gail Augustinelli was talking about they got snow. So I pulled out this Maramy Small Art book. This Winter Stories. I know we're not in winter yet, but I thought it would be fun. Something different. I've been doing a lot of fall, and that's where I was fixing to go, but I thought I would do something, like I say, a little different. I'm sure I'll be back into fall next week. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I've already got my pieces cut out and inked. And I will get this down and we'll see how this goes. There's not a whole lot going on. I've been very sad about my boy cats. Now I know boy cats fight, but these cats have been inside since they were babies, and they've always gotten along well, but here lately they'll just all of a sudden just start hurting each other, and we don't know what's setting them off. And it's just been very, very disheartening. Okay, so I'm going to put her down here. And I have got this I want over here. And I have got this big flower that I kind of want to tuck in behind her and have her looking up at that. And I have got these, just kind of some of the empty space kind of fill. And I'll add, add that. And I think I'll add this one. I think that's kind of pretty. Get everything kind of adjusted. And I think I'm going to add some of that. Let's see what I've got. Now I've got this, and I thought about that hanging down a little bit. And this one, I didn't want to have to fussy cut that. I did this one and this one, but it's a pain to have to trim in those little areas. So I'm going to cheat and let that one go a little higher. And we have this right here. I think I'll put her right there. And she could have some flowers too. And we'll just put those like that. Well, maybe one on one side and one on the other. We flip them around. Okay, I think that looks nice. So let's start putting some of this down. Sometimes I regret we didn't get our boy cats fixed. It's usually when those hormonal problems hit, but they haven't really been that bad. Now, we've had boy cats before that these are very different from your typical cats, because we've had boy cats that they just could not get along. But these boys, I mean, and it won't be 10 minutes later they'll be licking on each other and taking care of each other. So I don't know what the deal is. But it makes me sad. I see the babies fighting. And they're brothers. And my husband said he read somewhere where they say that's our problem. We think of them as brothers, but they just see as other cats. But I don't buy that. My cats are smart enough to know. And you couldn't convince me any different. Just the way they have always been around. I mean, they were all three laying together, the mama and the boys. This may not come up. Well, I'll just leave it. I never can get it back down to where I want it. I enjoy using the Mirror Me small art books. I only got 3 of them. I'd love to have some more. And I enjoy doing this challenge. It's a lot of fun. No pressure. Only requirement is to fill out some of the words in the crossword. There we go. I like that. So it's real easy. You can do whatever you want. Your theme can be whatever you want. And I've got all of these books that I want to use. So this is a perfect place to use them. All these digitals. Okay. And I just had that pink paper and I thought it went well with it. Okay. I won't need all that. I'll just clip it off. And this one. Go up a little bit. There we go. And I should move that over a little bit further. All right, we about got this. I just loved making a little scene with all these little different pieces, backgrounds. It's fun. And now everything's down. Okay. Now I am going to grab my gel pen. And I am just going to go around her. I did not get her all the way down. help it to stand out from the background. These little girls always have the sweetest face. I always love the fairies that she does. Okay, get this little girl. Okay. There we go. And now I have got to write in my words. So we have got cold. We've got cozy. We have got sweet, because I think these are the sweetest images. Snow. We have got frost. And we have got gloves. Let's see here. We could also do flowers. And I think we're going to call that one good. Although I will add some gold splatters. We are all shocked. What is she thinking, adding gold splatters? She never does that. You love it? Let's go for it. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Sorry, I think my camera keeps moving. But y'all take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. So until next time, bye y'all.